हाय so much of collections over here. भैया ये सब क्या है? ऑनलाइन का माल है? बढ़िया है, ये लीजिए. Come camera, just come. See how the stock is catching over here. Here all these online collections are taken from the godown, from the stock, and these collections are purchased from one of the customer. This such exclusive varieties from the KTC warehouse. Here is the entire stock you can see over here. These all collections. Today I am going to take you, friends, only for the new collections from Kesaria. So friends, keep watching this video. Subscribe the channel. There is a regular bell icon. Just click it. Do you want cotton sari, printed sari, linen sari, bed sheets, blankets, all at one place you can also purchase. So subscribe the channel. Let's have a look of KTC warehouse. And this is what the square cut where I've been seated here. And these all collections for the online purchase, how the customer has purchased, and this will go to the billing section. In this I can tell you the party wear, sharara, garara, rapier silk cotton, chudidar material, gown, all this there. You can also mix and purchase. And here is a trolley. In this trolley, all the stock will be carried from all the section. Here is the all printed saris here. And if I talk about here for the temples, especially for the temple, red color with haldi kumkum, we call it as haldi kumkum saris. So red and yellow pattern, bandhani, this is a Rajasthani pattern. All these collections for the bulk order you can also purchase. And here you can see all the varieties of the rapier silk. These all rapier silk new collections. When a manufacturer is packing the exclusive varieties, such a handful bag with a beautiful photocopy of the Kesaria, there is a logo, there is a sari which is pallu of Kota Lichi silk. This is a Rani color with a navy blue color. In this you have all the color charts, and our executive is taking the stock over here. And if I talk about the cotton sari segments, here is the all cotton varieties. And in this cotton segment, if I talk about cotton manufacturers, it starts from 90-95 rupees. And here is the cotton saris where you can see here all the box varieties also. This is a linen cotton, and we do have a printed varieties of saris, all designer work sari. Bandhani, evergreen, batik pattern also we have a saris over here. And these are all exclusive collections. Even we do have a Bharatanatyam Kalamkari saris. How such a beautiful Kalamkari design. And you need a casual and stylish for the printed of the casual stylish running for the teachers, lecturers. These are all collections or cotton section. And we do have a designer boutique. I'm just going to take you. Just keep watching the video. And here in this warehouse we can go like, and in this both the sides very crowdy, and lot of stock is over here. And I want to show you just how huge demand varieties of Poonam saris. Poonam saris are synthetic, weightless, chiffon, turkey silk, crepe, satin silk. Oh, you want to have a look? Just see here, it's a river of saris. These are all river of saris over here. Hi, such a beautiful collection. See, in this jipper package, this is a new variety, I can tell you. This is a Kavya 7 collections. This is a very thin lace border saris. In this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is a jipper package. So in this one jipper package, you getting 6 saris. You can give to your mother, you can give to your sister, you can give to your sister-in-law, you can give to your aunt, you can give you to niece, everyone in the family. This is what all colors you can purchase. In this we have all these exclusive collections only from the color chart of the photocopy. And here is a printed saris. It is a very colorful sari of the new pattern, very highlighted color, papaya color I can say. This is very beautiful. Cameraman, this is a papaya color, right? See, my cameraman is also laughing and enjoying. Okay, you can also buy for your wife, huh?
Yeah.
So this is also, see, all this papaya color combination with the mehendi color. This is a very new design, latest collection of the color saris. I can see huge collections at the factory price. You need magenta, you have a magenta. You have a blue color, you have a blue with wine. You have magenta with blue, you have a green with magenta, bottle green with orange. Sakkatagidella, semmaya irukku. See, in the English language, I'm getting Tamil, Kannada, all the languages. See, all these varieties. I like this. Do you want this collections? Hurry up for the numbers out on the screen. I can see here all the varieties of the printed Poonam sari. This is and all hi. Silk varieties. Silk, very classy and stylish, traditional parties. In our family culture, in the wedding, in the engagements, no, all these beautiful varieties. There is a catalog. In this catalog also we have a combination of these saris where the manufacturers are giving you. This is a Nutcut Krishna silk variety, very beautiful combination, bottle green. This is a tomato maroon, this is a mustard color, which is one is dark purple color and one is a blue color. Such a beautiful sari, and there is a index page of Kesariya. So these collections you can also purchase. This is a river of saris warehouse KTC. I have told you these are all the collections, exclusive varieties, and 99 rupees, and highest price is 300 rupees. Here is the collections, and here is the varieties of printed saris. This lot many huge collections. So benefits of KTC manufacturers, no single piece, all varieties are set to set. Sari, lehenga, kurti, kurta bottom, dupattas, kids collections, bed sheets, blankets, blouses, blouse bits, matching varieties, all at one place. So there are a huge varieties for the season. It has come. Here is also all the designer varieties of the lace border boutique varieties of saris. What all you want you can purchase. Customer has purchased, that's why the trolley is here. It's all going to pack like this. They're going to pack like this, no? So when you also book these collections now, you can also enjoy. So keep watching for the regular videos, for the keep updates. Subscribe the channel, keep follow the website pages. 7 to 10 days you will receive your stock. Cash on delivery, pan India is available. If you are located in international, sea services, cargo services are there. So hurry up for the collections for the new varieties. So next video will come up for the new more collections and business informations. If you didn't subscribe the channel, subscribe the channel, keep supporting me. Let me in the comment box from which city you are watching and following me. Next video will meet. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.